This is the first group. A short needle. 1 reducer. This is the second group. Then there are 4 more groups. Let's finish it. Round 23 is alpha. We're done pulling. Hook a standing pin. Stretch the thread. Now we're going to start stuffing the cotton. After filling the tampon, let's hook round 24. It is composed of 6 reducing pins. First abbreviation. Marking buckle. Second reducer. Let's finish the circle like this. After 24 loops, we're done pulling. Pull the thread tight. Hook a standing pin. Stretch line. Disconnection. That's how you hide the wire. So the main part is finished. If it's not round enough, you can pinch it. First, let's hook the ears. The first circle of the ear is 6 short needles. We wrap the thread around our finger twice. Pinch it over here and hook it up with your tail fingers. Round hook. Hook a standing pin. Start hooking the first short needle. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth needle. The fifth needle. The sixth needle. Pull this thread. See which wire is moving. And then pull again. Tighten this coil. In this way. Pull this wire tight again. That'll finish the first lap. We take off the marker and put it where the marker is. Drawing. Keep this thread for now. Cut it off later. Tension wire. Unhook a standing pin. The second lap is made up of 3 groups. 1 short stitch and 1 plus stitch. That's 9 stitches. We'll hook the first short needle where the draw is. Marking buckle. One plus pin. To add stitches to hook 2 short stitches in the same eye. This is the first group. 3 more sets. A short needle. 1 plus pin. A short needle. 1 plus pin. That's the end of the second loop. Remove marker buckle. Mark the location of the buckle. Pull cut end the circle. Tension wire. Hook a standing pin. The third lap is now gain, now loss. 9 short needles. Hook the first short pin in this part of the draw. Marking buckle. Second pin. Third stitch. Hook 9 short needles in this way. Finish the loop. The third round is over. Remove marker buckle. Draw where the button is marked. Pull the thread tight and hook a standing pin. If we wait for the year, we'll sew it on by hand. Just leave the thread if you don't want to sew it on by hand. If you stick it on, just leave a little bit of line. Then cut. Just hide the thread in there again. We can also cut this line right here. Hide the thread. That's the end of one year. Everybody hook the other one. Now let's hook our hands. Also the first lap. It's a loop of 6 short needles. You can use this hand. Pull this thread. the first short stitch. Marking buckle. A total of 6 short stitches. Look, stretch the thread. Tighten the thread again. Cut this thread. Remove marker buckle. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Tighten the standing pin. The second lap is made up of 3 groups. A short needle. A plus needle composition. That's 9 stitches. Now let's check the first group. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. 1 plus pin. Draw out stitches to hook 2 short stitches in the same stitch. This is the first group. The second group. The third group. That's the end of the second loop. Remove marker buckle. Drawing. This is the face.